Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome to this additional with extra Sudokus of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 24th, 2020. We have here a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. So total of 6 Sudokus. But first, we will solve the 1 star Sudoku. And the 1 star Sudoku, this will be a number 1, 3, and 9, 7. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers. And the 1 star has always 27, but let me check if this is correct. We have here 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, plus 3 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 4 is 18, 19, plus 2 is 21, plus 2 is 23, plus 4 is 27, as expected. Alright, so let's get started. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 7 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 7. Not correct. In this big square, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7. No 7 in these 3 boxes. There's 7. No 7 in those 3 boxes. So the 7 could be here or could be there. So we have a 7 in this row. A 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 7. I need to wait. How about the 4 in this row? A 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4, need to wait. How about the number 8? In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers in 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing and the 5 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here and the 3 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 7 because those 2 dots are meant for the 7. Let me continue with the 5 first. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So in the second row, the row between, the only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1. Alright. How about the 7? Because we have a 7 in this row, the 7 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 2. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Then 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 1. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 9 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5 and a 6. 3 and a 6. I cannot fill this yet. I need to wait. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. The other pair are the numbers 9 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. Then let me see. These 2 numbers, the 2 and the 8 are missing. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright. These 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 9 and 3. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. How about these 2 numbers, 6 and 3? We have a 3 here in this big square, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. One number left in this column for the number 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be the 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 8. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 1 number left in this row for the number 4. 4 is missing. Alright. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. And then in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. We see there 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 number left in the second row for the number 9. 1 number left in the third column for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 6. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square, the number 6 and 3. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 3 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. So, see you later. Bye bye for now.